Hey, Sabi here. Welcome to the video. This video is going to be very important if your sales dashboard looks like this. I'm going to talk about three mistakes, three traps that keeps you here even after going through all those hundreds of courses, all those years now. So let me jump straight to the point. All right. So number first is vanity metrics. So what is vanity metrics? This is one of the biggest trap out there. So what happens is affiliates focus on views. Let's say you are doing YouTube or you're doing Insta, whatever, right? You are doing any social media, and what they focus on is the number of views on that particular channel or on that particular profile. Whether you will get thousands of views and you get depressed, like if you get like 100 views here, 150 views there, 200 views there, they get depressed, they get sad, and they just give up, right? But the thing is, what you really need to focus on is the right kind of views. For example, let's say you are doing a review for a software, right? You did a review for a software. So what kind of people are searching for that? People who are looking for a second opinion before buying that software, right? So those are right kind of views, and those are the views most likely to purchase from you. All right, don't look at views, don't look at likes here. If you look at my channel, let me just show you my channel here, right? So if you look at here, you will see that this video has like just 364. I have like 4,000 subscribers, and still, right, a low number of views here, right? 230 views, 100 views, 146 views here, 142 views, 100 views, 200 views. And still, why am I uploading all these videos, like almost 200 videos here? Why am I uploading these videos? Because they make me money. They bring me leads. They bring me sales. I can easily go ahead, create few short videos and, create videos like, make PayPal money over and over by clicking 5 things, or this website gives you $1,000 every 5 minutes. I can do videos like those and it will bring me a ton and ton of views. But the thing is, these low viewed videos wins hands down, right? They make me more money here. So please, the first mistake, the first trap is vanity metrics. Please be careful of that. And now let's move on to the second one. Now, the second one is like, really, I actually personally struggle with it a lot. And that is shiny object syndrome. Right? Basically, the thing is the grass is greener on the other side, right? You see a new traffic course, new courses about affiliate marketing, new course about digital marketing, and you go ahead and buy that, right? And then what happens? You go and buy another new one, and the cycle repeats. And this only, basically what happens is this only put a hole on your wallet, and you are not really growing anything, and you will not be able to make money online if you think this way, right? And why people get stuck in this, right? There's a lot of like 90% of Warrior Plus offers, for example, sell you the dream here. They sell you the dream. They sell you the done for you machines. They sell you the push button riches, right? Where they claim, right, you will get unlimited traffic here from this website, right, from this Pinterest software, unlimited sales if you use their done for you funnel here, right? Guys, it's just a pipe dream, right? That doesn't happen, right? It is very simple. You pick a proven blueprint, you follow that system, you follow a proven traffic source. For example, YouTube is a proven traffic source. And if you pick the right niche, the topic that you want to cover, the right kind of videos, you will receive leads, you will receive sales, bro. All right? Stop doing it. Right? Stop going from YouTube to Instagram to Pinterest. Stop going from Facebook ads to Google ads to I don't know what else. Right? Don't create that cycle of failures, right? Escape from it. There is no such thing as push button riches. There is no such thing as easy. Right? Yes, things are very simple, right? It is simple, but it is not easy. It is not easy, right? So if you know a course is like, yeah, it's proven, but it takes an effort, then just do that. Just follow that. Build your list, build your audience. It will work well in long term. And the thing is, here's the irony. Here is what I want to talk about, right? So why people chase these shiny objects is because they want quick results, quick and fast results, right? But what happens is the people who have long-term thinking, right? This is the people with long-term thinking. They end up having much more faster progress than people here who are chasing after these shiny objects and fast and quick results. That is the truth, right? And another reason is people don't want to put effort here, right? They are like, I don't want to create videos, I don't want to do this, I don't want to create graphics on Canva. Guys, there is like AI now, right? You can literally create new powerful scripts, highly converting scripts. You can literally get help to get the funnels created, emails created. Basically most of the work, like 80% of work, is now done by AI, right? If you know how to use it, and you don't even need a plus subscription. You just need a free version of Gemini, of ChatGPT, of Claude, whatever that you're using, right? Use it to automate the old thing. The old fashioned things actually still work pretty well. There is a reason why the marketing doesn't go out of fashion. The same principles in sales that was like 100 years ago still work to this day, no matter if AI is here or not. So do yourself a favor and stop buying products out there. You already have a lot of products that you have purchased. If you don't have one, then you can maybe get my product and get to work. All right. Now let's talk about number 3 here. And this is going to be very important, and this will make or break your affiliate marketing career here. And that is, people promote products, right? People promote products, but the thing is, they don't promote solutions. This is the most critical trap here. The truth is, nobody care about a product that you promote. Nobody, right? They want solutions to their problem, right? In our MMO space, there are like tons and tons of offers that says on the sales page that they will help you make money. But what happens, just like shiny object syndrome, you purchase an offer and you end up purchasing new offer because that previous one didn't solve your problem, right? It didn't provide you the solution that you are looking for. So please stop looking at the products and start looking at the solutions. Now let me give you an example, right? So I have a little product called buyer wave method. Okay, and it is a launch jacking course. Now a lot of you already know what launch jacking is, right? You already maybe even went through the courses of launch jacking, and there are also some good courses out there that teaches you this properly. But why would you purchase this from me, right? So that is the solution. So buyer wave method, let me make a little space here. So why would you purchase buyer wave method from me? The thing is, what I provide is, one, I remove the guesswork completely, right? I show you exactly the step-by-step blueprint that you need to do in order to be successful launch jacking. To, for example, let's say everyone knows that you need to create review videos for launch jacking, right? But how do you do it? How to do it properly, highly converting review video? How to do that, how to make it so that you are going to make sales. And I show you exactly step by step with examples, with case study that I did along with recording this course side by side. And you see it work, right? And you know that if you're providing reviews, you also need to have some awesome bonuses that will actually increase the value of the original offer that you're promoting. So how do you do that? How to use AI properly? Anyone can use AI now and just tell them like, create me a bonus for the product that teaches launch jacking, right? And it will create you a simple PDF report. But that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about how to really dive deep and increase the value of the course itself by using AI, by using your ideas, and make it so that other people who are watching your review videos have no choice. They will not even entertain the thought of watching others' videos and just go ahead and buy from you, right? It is very beginner friendly. So for example, if a beginner affiliate comes in, he gets overwhelmed with like what opt-in pages, funnels, landing pages. They don't even know these terms, email sequences, autoresponders. They don't want to do that yet. But what this does is it's simple. There is no email list involved in here. You simply pick a product, pick an offer, and you simply review it, create a bonus, and upload. That's it. So instead of focusing on the product itself, I am focusing on the solution and the process that will make things easier for them to understand and learn and implement this strategy called launch hacking. I'm not giving you a push button thing here. I'm not giving you a done for you thing here. I'm not giving you the fish. I am teaching you how to fish, right? I hope you are getting my point, right? Solutions, people, solutions, not the products. If you have a money making system, right? If you have any offer that you would like to promote, then just focus on the solutions and create content based on those problems and solutions, and then just present your product as the solution, and people will go to your links and they will buy from you, making you affiliate commissions. So I hope you will stop doing these 3 mistakes. You will stop falling to the same trap again and again, and please try to build something long term, right? Think long term. You will get faster results that way. If you think in terms of 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, right? You will actually achieve faster and better results, better growth than the people who are going after this fast and quick strategies. Okay, so if you actually are interested in the buyer wave method and learn exactly what launch hacking is, if you don't know, then I have a link below. You can go, you can enter your email address, and you will receive a free video that will explain what launch hacking is and what buyer wave method is, right? And by the way, if you are smart, right, you would have understood what I did here, right? I explained, I solved a thing here, right? I solved a problem here by telling you the mistakes that you're doing over and over. And at the end, I just gave you a call to action to check out my product, my lead magnet here, which will make you a lead, right? A lead of mine. And if you are interested, if you resonate with me, my content, then most likely you are inclined to buy from me, right? Maybe not now, maybe in the future. If you see that I am a genuine guy, I actually do take care of my people, then most likely you will buy from me and I will make money, right? Maybe my own product, or maybe in future with affiliate offer promotions. That's how you do it. And if you see, right, this video is not going to receive 1,000 views. This video might just receive like 100 views, I think 100, 150 views, right? So if you're till the end, you understood the nuances that I'm doing. So anyway, that's that. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.